This is the Greek letter. This is from kola, so which means glue. So glue means they are the dispersed particles. That's why we call it the colloids, because the size is in the range of 1 to 100 millimeter. So this is this. That's why we call it the cola. This is glue like. Glue like. You can see. You can, have you seen the milk? You can see this is a whitish white color. So just like a glue. So that's why we call it the colloids. Is clear or not?
जी सर, क्लियर है सर।
Female. Also, also these particles, the colloid particle, for example, when you dissolve sodium chloride, when you even you can't see the seal molecule. There is no effect of them on the in the solution. You if you put on the filter paper, it will pass through it. And also when you centrifuge it, you will not get sodium chloride also. If you centrifuge it, you will not get the particle of sodium chloride also, unless when you evaporate the water, then you will get the sodium chloride. So it means in the solution, the solution are not the particle are not able to to get through centrifugation. But in the case of in the colloid also, the particle passes through the filter paper, and they are but not through a semi-permeable membrane. They are we means because the size is smaller, so that's why they are able to pass through the semi-permeable membrane. But through ordinary filter paper, it can pass through. If you put, for example, the what we call it, the milk on the filter paper, it will pass through it. Okay. So, but they it will not be able. These the particle will not be able to pass through the semi-permeable membrane. This is the another property. Colloids can be made settle by centrifugation. If we put milk in the centrifuge, so they will be you will see the particle will settle down. So this means in the colloid the particles settle down, while in the case of true solution the particles are not able to settle down through centrifugation. If we put in the centrifuge, and if we put the solution of sodium chloride in the centrifuge, they will not it will not be able to separate. I mean the particle will not get down. But in the case of colloid, the particle will get down. If you put in the centrifuge milk, so you will see the water and the fat particle will get separate from each other. You are getting at that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because they are
Excuse
the
me,
polite.
sir.
Actually, just keep in
Hello,
mind,
sir.
just one minute. The particle size is less than 1 nanometer. The size is very small. They may be atom, ion, and molecule. So the size is less than 1 nanometer. So which is very small. So they are not able to settle down any process. But in the case of colloid, the particle size is 1 nanometer to 100 millimeter, which is in the range. So they are larger than that one. So that's why we can settle down. We can settle them down by centrifugation. Okay.
जी सर।
Yes.
यस सर। सर वो साथ कह रहा है कि मुझे अलाउ करे प्लीज सर।
Acha. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, I haven't made the slide also larger. Sorry.
ओके सर।
सर लास्ट सर खैर दे जूम
Okay.
कीगी सर।
हाँ,
हाँ
बाहर के नहीं मतलब मसला भी जो का सॉरी बच्चों खपा न
सर
हाँ
लास्ट सर मुंग जूम करे दे फोन के जूम कीगी था।
हाँ बस जैसे ही दे बाको पल सोच को हाँ. Okay, so in the collide is the word of cola, I mean the Greek letter, which means blue light. You can see the milk. Just milk is the best example of it. So you can see, and the particle can be settled down. It can pass through the semi-permeable membrane, but through normal filter paper it cannot. When we put in the centrifuge, so the water and the fat molecule will separate in the milk. So it means in the collide the particle be settled down to centrifugation, okay, using high RMP vibration rate. Okay. Second one, Colloid is composed of two parts, just like a solution. Solution has two parts. One is called the solute, and the second one is called the solvent. Solute is one which is to be dissolved, and the solvent in which the solute are dispersed. You are getting a knot in the solution. We have two. For example, solvent. Solvent, for example, water. This is a solvent. And solute, NaCl. So there are two components of the solution. In the same way, colloids have also two portions. One is called the dispersed phase, just like NaCl. So the dispersed phase is one which is to be dispersed, and the second one is the dispersion medium. For example, water, sodium. You can see milk. Milk has a water which is used as a medium, natural medium. Okay, so the dispersed phase particle have a diameter size approximately 1 millimeter to 100 millimeter. You can see already we have discussed this thing. Second thing, such particles are normally invisible in an optical microscope. I said through normal microscope it's not possible to see them, to watch them, but using high magnification microscope, for example TEM, transmission electron microscope, is it possible to see the fat molecules. Okay, so this is another important thing. So one is in the colloid, the dispersed phase is which is to be dispersed, the particle which is to be dispersed. For example, the fat molecule in the milk. Why the dispersion medium in which the particle are dispersed? For example, water. In the milk, water is the dispersion medium. Okay, you are getting a dot.
Yes, sir.
A very nice, very easy. Now here you can see solution. There are two components. One is called the solvent, and the other was called the solute. Solvent is always maybe a liquid, maybe a gas, maybe a solid also. Okay, so the solvent, the solvent is always taken in larger amount as compared to the solute, while the solute is one which is to be dissolved. Colloidal mixture, you can see they have the particle size little bit larger than the solution. I told you, first one, if the size is less than 1 millimeter, we call it the solution. If the size is 1 to 100 millimeter, we call it the colloid solution. While in the suspension, I told you, if the size is larger than 100 millimeter, we call it the suspension. Here you can see there is a mix. Now it's clear. Solution, you can see suspension, and then you can see what we call the colloids. Solution, for example, table salt, NaCl. You can see the bottle. Table salt is the typical example of sugar. When you put the sugar in water, so you will come with a clear solution. So you will not be able to separate, or you can catch the molecule of the sugar or the NaCl ions. You will not be able. And also you will not be able, because the size of these molecules or the ion is very small. So that's why we call it the solution or the true solution. Second one is, you can see milk, suspension. If we disperse flour in water, so this is called the suspension, because the size is, you can see the size is larger than 100 millimeter. While milk is the typical example of the colloids, where the fat molecules or the protein molecule are dispersed in water. So these are two types of solution. The true solution, which is the size of the particle is less than 1 millimeter, we call it the true solution. While the colloids, if the size is greater than 1 millimeter up to 100, we call it the colloid. While the third one is the suspension. If the size is greater than 100 millimeter, we call it the colloids. This clear or not, beta?
सर इट इज क्लियर, लेकिन सर हमारे पास सॉल्वेंट
sir.
जो होता है वो सॉलिड कैसे हो सकता है?
सॉलिड, आई टोल्ड यू, सॉलिड भी हो सकता है। क्या मतलब बेटा?
सर आप कह रहे थे कि सॉल्वेंट हमारे पास सॉलिड भी हो सकता है।
Yes, exactly. We call it a solid solution. For example, mix oxide. For example, I mix aluminum chloride and magnesium chloride. The one which is less in number, we call it the solute, while the greater, we call it the solvent. Is clear or not?
Yes, sir. It is clear now, sir.
We call it
Thank
a
you.
solid solution, okay?
Ji, sir.
Perovskite is the best example. Mixed oxide, generally you can call it the mixed oxide. Yes, any question, beta?
सर ये जो मिल्क है ये
Yes, sir.
सॉलिड एंड लिक्विड है या लिक्विड एंड सॉलिड है?
Milk, you can see emulsified collide of liquid butter, fat. Okay,
ये लिक्विड
globules
एंड लिक्विड है?
of liquid butter dispersed within a water. You can see already written.
यस सर.
Fat molecules है ना, fat molecules है, these are dispersed in water. So liquid butter है, butter क्या होता है? तो fats है ना. Or except that there is also protein in it. So when there is a protein, so it means they have been dispersed in the larger protein. So the butter molecule, interestingly, if you put in the centrifuge, you will see water, and the molecule will get down at the bottom of the tube. So this means we can separate them by centrifugation. Okay, because the molecule size is larger. Another important example you can give me. Any example? Do you think? Yeah.
सर ये जो एरोसोल स्प्रेज होते हैं ये कोलाइड है या क्या है?
Exactly. So it's clear or not? All these things.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
So also fog, mist, fog. You can see the fog. What is the fog? Water molecules. Big molecules are there. Fog is also the carbon molecules. You can see the dust molecule. So these are the fog, mist. These are the example of the collides. Okay.
Sir, toothpaste.
टूथपेस्ट because बेटा इसमें एक important thing है. Toothpaste is a mixture, I think, of salt होता है. Salt is dispersed. So salt, अगर ये salt in the if we dissolve salt, so automatically it will get separated. So it will be not it will not be able to examine through the microscope. So I don't know exactly the constituent of the toothpaste. So that's why I can't say this is also collide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
सर ये जो फॉर्म होता है गैलेट फॉर्म इस तरह जो इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो क्या है?
स्मोक है, डस्ट है, फ्रोथ है, whipped cream है, milk है, ऑयल है. ये all of these ice cream is the best example.
Sir, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise will be the best example because this is the butter.
Sir, ketchup
Yes, sir.
pakishta ke nishta.
और why चवा कह रहा? Any question?
No, sir.
Very easy topic. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Sir, bilkul clear de sir, the simple hope.
Yeah, I will share inshallah tomorrow. I will share the slide. Okay. Don't worry about
Okay,
it.
sir.
Take it easy.
Sir, final course
जी बेटा.
final का course बता दे sir.
ये तो एक चैप्टर तो हम कर चुके हैं ना काइनेटिक्स का.
जी sir.
ये दूसरा चैप्टर है. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल इंशाल्लाह वी विल फिनिश विद इट. अगर ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, फॉर एग्जांपल हॉस्पिटल मतलब ये चीजें नहीं है, तो इंशाल्लाह वी ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू फिनिश इट बाय नेक्स्ट वीक. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक इसको मैं खत्म करना चाहता हूँ. तो मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम यूनिवर्सिटी आएंगे तो सिर्फ वो क्वेश्चन जो आपको समझ नहीं आए तो वो इंशाल्लाह हम दोबारा रिपीट करेंगे।
ओके सर।
ओके
जी सर।
यस सर।
ओके, बस अटेंडेंस वाला बच्चे।
सर
हाँ वाह वाह वाह।
सर फाइनल में ये 2 चैप्टर्स होंगे।
2 चैप्टर, ये तो 2 चैप्टर नहीं होंगे, और भी क्वेश्चन है। तो मैं तो ये फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको ऑनलाइन नहीं है थोड़ा सा ये मुश्किल हो जाएगा आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि ज़रा कोर्स पर आप यू विल बी इन ट्रबल। तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि कैसे उनको ऑप्टिमाइज किया जाए।
ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
ठीक है बेटा।
बिल्कुल सही है सर, बिल्कुल ठीक है सर।
ओके ओके, टेक केयर। आज take it serious, take care, and also take precaution of the COVID, because today one of our Professor Dr. Naeem, in the UET has passed away. कल नहीं
इन्ना
पर
लिल्लाहि व इन्ना
हाँ,
इलैहि राजिऊन।
कल
जी
उसका
सर।
जनाजा था। तो यही मैं कहता हूँ कि एहतियात कीजिएगा बेटा, अपने बड़ों को स्पेशल। मतलब हमें तो कुछ नहीं होता, हम तो यंग है, यंग को भी हो सकता है, ये तो नहीं है, लेकिन ये बीमारी हमारे बड़ों के लिए मतलब वबा बन सकती है। तो उनको बचाने की कोशिश कीजिएगा, उनके लिए अपने आप को मुहतात रखिएगा।
थैंक यू सो मच सर। इंशाल्लाह सर
ओके,
जब लायक सर स खिदमती सर मुंग प्लीज हुई सर मुंग खुशहाली को पे सर।
बदुआगाने बचूरा तक बदगट खबर है, सही है बच्चों।
इंशाल्लाह सर, इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू सो मच
ओके,
सर।
एंड टेक केयर।
अल्लाह हाफिज सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
लीव कई सही है अटेंडेंस माँ वापस तो।